Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World today here at Disney Springs. Heading over to Amorette. They have some new sandwiches Jake and I are gonna try. Come on in, check it out. Here we go guys as we enter in Amorette. I'm interested in trying these new sandwiches that they have. I know that I've gotten a few people asking me about this sandwich here because Amorette's on Medling World, guys. This is one of our favorite places to get lots of different snacks, bakery items. But we've had their other sandwiches before, which were very good. But this is a new type of sandwich. Let's go find out. Guys, these are the new sandwiches. There's a chicken salad croissant. Look at that. There's the ham and cheese croissant. It's got like those sweet pickles on it. That one looks pretty good. I might try that one actually. Turkey and brie croissant. And this one's like a charcuterie board. Look at all the stuff in that. I think though today, I'm gonna try that one right there. All right guys, so I'm a little disappointed because they had all those nice sandwiches that you could see and then they only had one available. Which doesn't make a lot of sense because it is only probably, what, 12:30 in the afternoon? And I've never had that happen to me here before. Usually they would say, yeah, we can make it for you. So that tells me one or two things. It tells me two things. One, they're not made fresh to order. They're made and put out on a display and they take them as needed. And two is, if they're not already made out there ready, they won't make it for you. She said, no, we can't, we don't have it. So I'm sure maybe later on in the day they'll make more and bring them out, but right now that was our only choice. So I felt kind of like with Disney and being here several other times that has never happened. Usually they will, oh yeah, we'll make it for you. Usually actually the old sandwiches they made fresh, Jake, if you remember. So that's my little rant because there's one thing about Medling World. We keep it real on Medling World. I always bring you on the adventure, show you what we're doing, and I tell you if things are good and things are a little bit frustrating because they had all those 4 nice sandwiches that they've been advertising. They're like, oh, you can only get the chicken salad croissant, but we're gonna get into it. Let's try it. So this is what it comes with. It was, this particular sandwich was $13.50 for this one. See there? Huh, interesting. Look at that. It looks good though. It definitely does look good. It's got I can't pronounce half these words, but what do they call that? Arugula? Arugula? Yeah. It's got the chicken salad. It's got some walnuts on it. And these are the kettle chips.
They're like crunchy. They're good though.
They also been sitting around a little bit, for sure. They're good, so yeah, good. They're decent. I'm gonna cut this thing in half. Jake and I are gonna share this big bad boy. Let's get into it. Jake's gonna give us honors. It does look like it could get messy. I did get a fork because I kind of assumed some things would fall out. I went on my little rant. I know, guys, I did, but I was disappointed that this is the only one that they had, that they couldn't like say, oh yeah, we can make you one. I don't know. I find that very disappointing, and I want to stress that.
I can taste everything well. It's kind of like crunchy in a way, and
it's crunchy, the bread?
Yeah. It's decent. When you take a bite out of it, you can taste everything. Nothing's too overpowering. It kind of just all blends together well.
Let me try it, Jake. Try my half here. Let's get into it. I kind of have my camera here. I can hold it with one hand. There's one thing I do like about Amorette as a whole is, as Jake was saying, Jake is really spot on with his review of this. Most of the things you get from Amorette, everything is very well balanced, the way that they talk about it and the way that they advertise it. Chicken salad's good. The bread is really nice because it has that little bit of a crunch on the outside, but it's nice and flaky, like a really good croissant, Jake.
Yeah.
It does taste pretty fresh too. I know it's been in there, sitting there, but it's not that bad. Pretty good. I think I gotta try a few more bites, and let's give our final scores on this. Jake's going to town on it. A little bit messy. Chips are good so far, not too bad. So Jake and I are, we're enjoying it, huh, Jake? And I did want to just mention what's in it. It is chicken salad. It's got spiced walnuts, raisins, and it's, I know I can't pronounce, because I don't eat a lot of vegetables, guys. I'll be honest. Arugula. Yeah, that one. You know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you get it on pizza sometimes. But I think it's pretty good. I really liked it. I'm interested with Jake though, because he kind of put his down here. Mine's gone. I devoured it. I'm gonna make sure if he doesn't want to eat the rest of that, I will. Jake,
You can have it.
what did you think? What's your overall score here?
It's okay. It's a 7.8 out of 10.
Oh, a 7.8, which is not a bad score, but I think you're enjoying these chips
Yeah,
maybe a
I
little
like the
bit more
chips.
than this. Okay. I will say one more thing too. I'm gonna give my score, but this was the one I think I wanted the least. Like looking at them all, I was like, maybe the turkey one or the chicken one. I was like, nah. It was, you saw I wanted the ham, and then the charcuterie one looked really good, but I think the sandwich, I do disagree with Jake. I'm gonna give it a much higher rating. I enjoyed it. It was just very nice and simple. The bread was good. It wasn't like a crazy spiced out chicken salad. I like the raisins in it, and this, you know, I didn't think I would like the walnuts. We were talking, Jake and I, should we take the walnuts off? We left them on. I really enjoyed it. To me, it's an 8.8, so I'm going a whole point higher than Jake. Really did like this sandwich. I do recommend it. Oh, busy down here. It's a Saturday afternoon, as I was saying. I did like the sandwich, guys. I really did, but I still stand by what I said when I went in there, that it is disappointing that they could only offer one sandwich when you would think, right? Oh yeah, we'll make that for you. I mean, usually you go to a restaurant and eat. No, it's a bakery, but you know, a sandwich. You make the sandwich. If people want a sandwich, you make the sandwich. I don't know. A little strange to me. It's never happened to me before there, so. But it is what it is. So guys, I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching Medling World. Jake and I we're going to have another snack. This is another new snack down here. It's going to be a separate vlog. We're on our way, so make sure you check it out. We'll give you a little sneak about that one. That's going to be the chicken and donut over at Everglades Donut. So we're going to head over there. We're going to make a separate vlog with that one. And then we also have Resort Stay coming up tomorrow. We're in the middle right now. We're doing all of the Universal resorts and all of the Disney resorts. We're combining them. We're mixing and matching. We do have another resort coming up. Stay tuned for that. We like to do surprises on our resorts. We're about halfway through all of the parks, resorts, Universal and Disney. So now we're kind of working on our second half. So don't forget, subscribe if you haven't. And last but not least, Jake, see ya!